How are you? Today I'm going to introduce to an equipment which is a small size cutting machine using a circular saw blade for a metal plate and the innovative supply method of a mill finish metal plate, which are essential part for factory automation market and machinery industry in general. This is so-called a long steel, a metal workpiece which is needed to be cut using the high precision circular saw cutting machine. The supplier of this facility has 20 years of plate sales, standardizing the sizes mainly used throughout the industry, and has been operating inventory in the form of semi-finished product as shown in the picture. The four-sided processed steel product produced by the entire automation system shall be provided according to the demand. Now, when the customer orders the desired sizes, all there is to do is to cut the long steel in length, which is pre-processed with the same thickness and width as the order sizes by using the circular saw cutting machine. Now I'm going to cut this long steel instantly, assuming that an order was received from a customer. As you can see, the cut surface of the plate cut by the circular saw is cut with the same roughness as the mill surface. And the tolerance is within 0.1 millimeter and within the tolerance required for the general machine manufacturing. Now compared with the plasma cutting, it is possible to perform the shape processing without post-processing of the material after the cutting because no heat is generated on the cutting face. Also, you will see a significant reduction in production costs compared to the water point cutting. Plates cut with this facility do not require additional process. Shape processing is possible immediately upon receipt, and the processing lead time can be drastically reduced. As a result, other costs such as labor costs can be managed efficiently.